To avoid the novice mistakes and simple oversights while choosing turkey fryers, we've brought you detailed reviews of some of the best in the market. We've considered various factors that'll cater to your various needs. Watch this video till the end to find a fryer that suits your needs. Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel where we curate the best gadgets on the internet for you. Today, we've brought you 9 top-rated turkey fryers for a delicious and easy Thanksgiving. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 9. Bayou Classic 3025. The Classic 3025, made of dazzling 22-gauge stainless steel, is more than simply a turkey fryer. It's a monument to strength and efficiency. It's not just the fryer, but also the considerate accessories that come with it. Every aspect is thoroughly thought out, from the stainless steel baskets designed for effortless frying to the smart depression at the pot's base for maximum steaming. Don't even get me started on the 12-inch thermometer and stainless steel retainer hook. Those things are lifesavers. For those who obsess about the subtleties of temperature management, the perforated lid is your silent protector, ensuring everything cooks evenly. Plus, with its sturdy handles, transportation is a pleasure, whether you're relocating from the patio to the garage or just shifting it a few feet. If turkey isn't on the menu, the adaptable racks can roast up to 3 birds at the same time. But wait, there's more. This miracle is also great for boiling soups, robust stews, and rich tomato sauces. Number 8. Enterprise's 44 Corked Deep Fryer. This is a culinary giant created for those massive birds. You can control the burner by just turning the knob. Furthermore, the 48-inch steel-braided line keeps your propane tank safely separated, providing you peace of mind. When you open the box on this beast, you'll find more than just a fryer. Consider an insulated glove for those hot contacts, a precision-crafted aluminum poultry rack, and a strong grab hook that makes handling a 25-pound turkey look easy. I felt like a master chef when that heavy-duty hook effortlessly lifted my huge turkey. If turkey isn't on the agenda, the 3-pronged poultry rack perfectly supports smaller birds like chickens, preventing them from taking an unplanned oil dive. Number 7. Barton Deluxe 30 Quart. The Barton Turkey Deep Fryer is an excellent solution for individuals looking for a multi-purpose outdoor fryer kit at an affordable price. The set includes a powerful 37,000 BTU gas stove, a burner stand, and a huge 30-quart pot, which is great for making family meals. It's also built to withstand higher temperatures, resulting in better cooking outcomes. It also includes a regulator, temperature thermometer, hanger, and marinade sauce syringe to keep your turkeys appetizing. One small disadvantage is the lack of a simple timer, which means you'll have to regularly monitor your cooking. Furthermore, installing the fryer kit can be difficult. However, these are overshadowed by its overwhelming power, capacity, and top performance. Number 6. Masterbuilt 3-in-1 Deep Turkey Fryer. This gadget provides unrivaled convenience and versatility. With a ceramic inner pot, the Masterbuilt is more than simply a fryer. It's an oil vault providing maximum taste with no effort. A fantasy for those of us who would rather eat than clean up. This electric device eliminates the need for an external power source. You can use 33% less oil without sacrificing the crispy quality we all adore. But don't stop there. The Masterbuilt 3-in-1 also invites you to steam and boil to your heart's content. This jewel glows both inside and out, so even if the clouds sweep in, your food carnival will go on as planned. It may take up to an hour to reach 375 degrees, especially if you're using peanut oil. However, once there, the Masterbuilt's design ensures that the temperature remains constant, resulting in perfect results. And if you're concerned about the short power cord, a simple extension solves the problem. Number 5. CreoleFeast Propane Turkey and Fish Set. This magnificent fryer comes with an LP hose, regulator, lifting hook, 2 temperature thermometers, and a marinade injector. In addition, a strong burner stand and a perforated steamer basket are included. With all of these equipment at your disposal, preparing a flawless 20-pound turkey in about 45 minutes becomes a breeze. And don't worry about your safety. The full handbook and extra features ensure that your frying adventure is as smooth as that crispy skin on that turkey. While the CreoleFeast provides excellent value with its abundance of capabilities at such an appealing price point, there are a few peculiarities things to be aware of. Yes, it may have some heat retention issues, and the pot may have a dent or two, but let's focus on the bounty it brings. Remember, this is a set as it comes with a 10-quart fish fryer. Hook this perforated basket on the side and filter excess grease from well-fried fish or french fries. The hang-to-drain design positions the basket for perfect frying. Number 4. CharBroil Big Easy Oilless Fryer. Forget about the fatty after effects of regular frying. This fryer allows you to eat without harming your health. The Char-Broil turkey fryer harnesses the power of infrared heat technology, allowing you to roast a turkey without using a drop of oil. Its efficient 16,000 BTU gas burner creates a luscious, moist interior with a wonderfully crisp outside. The propane burners are snuggled within a double-walled cylinder, ensuring that infrared heat wraps around the turkey, rapidly and uniformly cooking it. The interior temperature remains constant even after hours of roasting. It's like having a personal chef, equipped with an inbuilt thermometer and other essentials. It's firmly fastened with a strong buckle holder too. The ergonomically designed grip remains cool to the touch and provides enough space even when wearing mesh gloves. But keep in mind that this propane-powered marvel is only for outdoor activities. While cooking durations may vary slightly depending on weather conditions, with practice, you'll master the art of oil-free frying in no time. Number 3. GasOne B5155 Red. This one contains a large 24-quart aluminum stock pot, which is ideal for crab and lobster feasts. The steel-braided hose and adjustable regulator drew my attention. The ability to fine-tune that flame indicates that you have culinary control. GasOne has you covered with an O-ring on the regulator to keep the gas leaks at bay. That steel frame burner has a unique coating that makes it heat-resistant. While the burner and frame meet up to expectations, the stockpot has certain flaws. It's versatile enough for crab boils, fish fries, and even snack-sized pleasures like mozzarella sticks. It's a little tricky if you don't have the right tools to pull it up, though. Number 2. Backyard Pro 30-Quart Deluxe. Its sturdy 30-quart metal pot comes with a high-quality lid. The marinating syringe dramatically changes the mechanics of flavor injection. Furthermore, the hanger and poultry rack ensure that your turkey gets a golden, even fry. Backyard Pro doesn't compromise on the fundamentals, from a convenient meat thermometer to an additional pot with a steam rack. With a heat output of 55,000 BTUs, this fryer is a powerhouse. Because there are no temperature control knobs, you gotta keep a close check on your dish. Also, keep in mind the slightly shorter propane hose and always maintain safe distances between fire and oil, especially on busy barbecue weekends. While the pot's thin aluminum raises questions about its durability, it's still ideal for occasional fry enthusiasts. Number 1. King Kooker 12 RTF. While you're laughing with your friends, your turkey is sizzling away, and a handy battery-operated timer chimes in just at the right moment, signifying your perfectly cooked meal. There will be no more continuous check-ins or guesses, just pure, uninterrupted fun. The King Kooker 12 RTF is not just your average fryer. This kit includes everything you'll need for an outstanding outdoor cooking experience. It has everything you need, from the powerful 33,000 BTU cast aluminum burner to the large 29-liter turkey pot, not to mention the sturdy 11-liter frying pan, a precise thermometer, and a recipe booklet overflowing with delectable ideas. Use the accompanying steamer basket to change things up. Just a heads up, those handles get hot, so wear heat-resistant gloves. While King Kooker promises fast and homogeneous cooking, especially for those large 20-pound turkeys, its aluminum structure may be a little fragile. That's it for today, guys. Like and share the video and comment on which one you want to buy for yourself. All the product links are given in the description below. Make sure to check them out. I'll be back with more of the best products soon. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon to get a notification of our latest video. Till then, keep exploring.